Hey Adam, this is Lee from Otters Digital Marketing. We spoke with my colleague last week, and this is the custom video that we promised to show you some free tips and tricks that you can do today to improve your online presence and to get you more customers and book more jobs. The first thing I'd like to go over is your website, right? So I'm looking at your website here, and I like that your contact number is nice and visible, your contact us form is nice and visible, nice video on the front page, so well done on that. Going through your website now, from a content perspective, it looks like you have probably about 300 words of content. So that's the first thing I'd like to cover. Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 words of content, and this is so that when they go out and crawl the websites in the evenings, they're trying to extract relevant keywords that they're going to put into their search engine. And in order to do that, they need a lot of content. So if you have at least 1,500 words of content, then you make their job quite a bit easier to rank and to find you. So maybe it's a tip of something that you can do immediately, basically. If I look at one of the top competitors on Google, he's number one in Google at the moment for Electrician Cape Town. I must say, I think I like your website more, so well done on that. Looking through their website, I think they've got a similar problem, looking at about 300 words of content. So also not really hitting that 1,500 word mark. So if you can up your content, I think you can beat these guys out. The next thing I want to go through is the Google search result. When I put in electricians in Cape Town in Google, the first thing that you'll see coming up is the Google ads. And this is nice because it's prime real estate, and what you'll find is a lot of quick traffic coming to your website, but you need to pay for these links to be up here. So every time someone clicks on one of these links, you'll pay for that click to Google, a small amount of money. So very quick to get traffic to your site, but expensive in the long run. The next thing I want to go over is the Google Map listing. So this is nice because this shows the relevant businesses in the area, and it's nice for people to quickly see a contact number and a website for these top three that are listed here. It's very important to actually be in these top three because statistics show that between 30 and 40% of all traffic from Google will actually click on one of these three links. So you really want to be there to get that traffic. How do you get to those top three positions? Well, you want to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your contact number, and your physical address. You want those to be listed at various directories. You can think about a directory like Yellow Pages, Gumtree, and the like. The more listings you have, then the higher you'll be placed here on the Google Map listing. I normally try to aim between 100 and 200 just to guarantee myself a spot in these top three positions and get that traffic. The third thing I want to go over on this page is the organic search result. Also a very important spot because this is what Google sees as the most relevant to the search term that was entered. And statistics show that close to 30% of people will click on the first link, 15% of people on the second link, and 10% on the third link. So only less than 9% of people that will go past the first page in Google. So very, very important to actually be in these top three positions because that's when you're going to get all that traffic and potential customers. So how do you get into these top three positions? Well, I'll show you that next. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows me to do is to put in a website address like yours in this toolbar over here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers. These are the numbers basically Google will use to rank your website. If I take a look at the first number here, the UR, that's your trust rating. So this is how much Google will trust your website. You're sitting at a 1 at the moment, and your DR is your power index. This is how strong you are in Google's eyes. So sitting at a 3.3 out of 100. So these numbers are quite on the low side, so something you probably want to try to boost if you can. The backlinks and referring domains is what's going to determine your ranking on organic search results. You want these numbers as high as possible. A backlink, all that it is really a link from another website to your website. It's basically a shout out from their website to yours, and the referring domains are those websites pointing to you. So the higher the numbers, the better, but also not all backlinks are created equal. The better quality backlinks will make a big difference as well. At the moment, Google is finding 35 organic keywords from your website, so this is potentially an area that you can improve. If you have more content, then Google can extract more keywords. And at the moment, you only have about one person a month finding your site from Google. And that's unfortunate because you've got a nice website and you really want to see if you can up this number and get more potential customers. If I take a look at your main competitor, like we did earlier, their numbers, you'll see their trust rating is at 13, their strength index at 10, so slightly higher than yours, but still not great numbers. They're very, very beatable. They do have more backlinks. They have 914 from 27 domains. So this is one of the main reasons why they're #1 on Google at the moment. They've got nice and high numbers, and they're getting picked up for 82 keywords. We'll take a look shortly what that is. And because of their ranking on #1 of Google, you'll see that they're getting 158 people every month coming to their website from Google. So a lot of potential customers coming to your competitor and not to you. Let's take a look at what those keywords are that's being picked up. So one of their keywords, electrician in Cape Town, that's being picked up from their website. And you'll see there's 450 people every month actually searching for this term in Google. And because they're your top competitor, they are getting basically 1/3 of this traffic to their website every single month. That's a lot of traffic that you could be getting, that your competitors are actually getting right now. And you'll see all the other related terms down here. You'll see there's a lot of potential traffic that you could be getting. So just to quickly summarize, see if you can increase your word count on your homepage to 1,500 words or more, so that you can make it easier for Google to find you and rank you. If you want to be in those top 3 positions for Google Map listing, see if you can increase your number of citations with directories. And if you want to be in the top 3 positions of the organic search result, see if you can increase your number of backlinks and referring domains while keeping high quality. So like I said, all these tips and tricks are free to use, and I hope you go and implement them immediately so you can improve your traffic to your website. I would just ask if you can maybe just drop me a line of feedback. Just let me know if you found this video useful. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. If you'd like to contact me of how I can, with any additional information around any of this, or how I could potentially help you in this, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than willing to help. Have a great day. Cheers.